well, this is big.
That rotation is right over us.
Early Tuesday afternoon, several storm cells began working their way into parts of Kansas and Missouri. KNWA storm chaser Derek Massengale began our chase in Kansas, where a small cell was building in intensity.
We are just south of Pittsburgh, Kansas. See some lowering just off to the north of us.
On radar, this shelf cloud showed signs of rotation and already over the town before residents were warned.
The hail core on this thing is huge. It's got 3. There's the tornado sirens now.
Stores were shut down. Employees ran for cover. Streets in the small town of just over 20,000 were quickly abandoned.
Continually south of the sirens in Pittsburgh, they continue to do it non-stop.
The Pittsburgh storm looked extremely capable of producing a tornado in person and on radar, but it never lined up with the shear vector theory, and it never produced a tornado. So we continued on.
I think if we get a little bit south of these storms now, we can kind of make a play for if it does pop west.
The next stop, Independence, Kansas.
We've got stuff happening. It's starting to rotate.
Another storm, smaller but stronger, showed tornadic potential. Travelers in its path often stopping to request advice before driving further.
You head west, you'll be all right. You should be okay. Yeah, you should be okay. Just keep your eyes open and listen to the radio.
Doppler radar showed the storm quickly moving in the right direction to line up with the shear vector theory, worrying even veteran storm chasers.
The last circulation on this was just to our north and west, and that's basically what you're seeing right there. That whole lowering right there could actually spin something down, so we got to really watch that.
As evening came, the storm attracted dozens of storm chasers and tour groups. Into the night, it prompted warnings throughout much of Kansas and Missouri. But the shear vector never shifted in the direction the theory showed it would have to produce a funnel cloud. It never produced a tornado, and the theory was able to predict that, further proving it could help provide accurate and reliable warnings to save lives.
And that was KNWA's Alex Flippen reporting. Now, he says there's going to be a lot more research, in fact, months and months of it, and more rounds of severe storms before we finally have this shear vector theory fine-tuned. But when it is, it could provide warnings that are so accurate, false alarms could be a thing of the past.